Okay, so now the next thing I want to explain now is how to create communities. When it comes to communities, some people use communities to some people sell community. Like you see some people that they'll be like, if you want to join my community, pay this so amount of money. While some people they normally give access to their student that enrolls into one or two courses for free to to their communities. So now how do we now create communities inside Thinkific? It's not every client that used to ask for this, but then I just want to explain it to you. So in case a client comes to you and is asking, so now this is how you do it. So you come here under product, you click communities. Once you click communities, now you'll be able to create one. Now this is it. It's because we removed the card, oh, that's why. As if we've now removed the card now, you'll be able to add plenty, plenty. Now, once you want to add a community, it will ask you for the details, this thing. So now, what are we giving the name? I wrote Techie Community. Then the link of the community should be what? Techie Farms, like tech fans now. So now, you add the image of the community here, like the community image, like a product image. Then the description too. This is a community for tech people to meet, connect, and explore things together. You shall write everything. Then the color, the font. If there is a community home banner, like a banner that, and this is the size, it must be 640 by 160. So you add it, then the access. Is this student that purchase this community via the checkout? That is to say they want to be selling the community as a separate thing on its own, or every student that are logged in into the site, or students in selected courses or bundles, or students in selected groups. Now, or is it that students that they are in a selected course, maybe any student that bought Upwork course, so we have access to this one. Every student that does this one, we have access to that one. It's just like me now. By the time I want to be doing this kind of things now, I will have my community separate. Like where probably I'll be mentoring people. They will be buying that one, like they will be buying it. And I will also have a plan whereby any student that enroll into anything, that learn anything from me, we also have access to that same community, not paid. So now that is just how it is. So you can choose to select based on what your client wants is what will determine what you will do. You know, we can have maybe we have three types of courses now. Take virtual assistant course, something course. We have different communities for them. So we can have virtual assistant community, this one community, that one community. So that's that. So this is where you select all of that. Now the next one is private community. Private community means your community offering will remain public, but students must first request access from you. They will have to access it. They have to request the access from you before they can enroll. While hidden means it's not even show at all on your website. You really want to be sending people the link. So that's that. Then SEO settings, same thing. The title, the description, the keyword. If you sabi code too, add the code here. Add code there. So once you are done, make sure that save settings. Once you are now done with all of these settings, the next thing come to pricing. You now give it price. Is it free? Is it one time? Is it subscription? Is it monthly? You now select. So now after purchase. After purchase, after purchase is when people have purchased your community, what should they see? Is normally should be thank you message or upselling message. It should be thank you or upselling message. Upselling is just when you want them to buy more. So once you are done with that, then you just come here publish. You just click publish like this. Your community will just piam, set to published. Boom. Congratulations, your community has been published. Now go to community. So now that is how to create a community on Thinkific. On Thinkific. So that is just how to create a community on Thinkific. It's just that. So if you have any question, please let me know.